Greetings, Longhorns. Principal Clevenger here. Welcome to the 2020-2021 school year. We have a powerful tool to make sure that all of you get off to a great start this year with virtual learning. As you know, the first 6 weeks we will all be online, and that is why we have created the RBV Crash Course. Each day from Wednesday, September 9th through Monday, September 14th, periods 2 through 5, we will share with you a short video that will teach and explain some critical steps to being successful in the classroom environment. All of these videos will be available on our website that you can view before school starts or anytime during the school year. This school year is going to be one of the most unique educational experiences of your life. There will be challenges, but where there are challenges, there are opportunities. And I believe that if you take advantage of those opportunities, you will become stronger students and stronger individuals. Please know we are here for you. Whatever problems or obstacles you encounter, whether with technology, academics, or social emotional, please reach out to us. You are not alone, and the RBV staff is here to help however we can. The RBV Crash Course is just one way we hope to prepare our students for success this year. Go.